एक्चुअली मैं बहुत जिद्दी हुआ करती हूँ, really obstinate, okay? और मेरा बच्चा भी बहुत obstinate है. It's like when I see a kid or like a puppy or like an old person, these three groups of people take my heart away. Treat her like an individual, not like an extension of me, which I don't understand. Children only come through you. They don't belong to you. As Gibran says, trust, transparency, truth. These were three things that my mother gave me. And she always said, I trust you, I've taught you the best.
Well, I would personally say that एक माँ की जगह चाहकर भी आप किसी को नहीं दे सकते हैं. While a mom's place is something that is actually a place wherein even if you don't tell her a thing, she will still get to know. That is what is the mother's gut feeling. Well, and Ash, on the special eve of Mother's Day, we are here celebrating the mothers from the industry. Single mothers or maybe non-single mothers. But then at the end of the day, they are beautiful souls who have actually proved and set major goals as a mother. Well, Ash मेरे साथ join करेंगी on the very first episode Manani Day. Well, she indeed is a single mother, a blessed soul with 22 years of old daughter. Well, आज she's gonna share a lot about her journey. तो आइए चलिए माननीय और मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ बनाते हैं आज की ये सेगमेंट मदर्स डे स्पेशल को और भी ज्यादा स्पेशल और बेहतरीन. Today, for the very first opening episode of Mother's Day Special, I have with me a mother who has actually been like the perfect role model for her daughter, if I'm not wrong. Manani, firstly, a very, very happy Mother's Day. How does it feel, बचपन से अपनी मॉम को विश करते करते आज आप एक उस मुकाम पे हैं जहाँ पे योर डॉटर विशेस यू एंड मेक्स दिस डे स्पेशल फॉर यू. हाउ इज दैट फीलिंग?
I think सबसे पहले तो thank you so much. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ that being a mother is one of my biggest joys. मुझे लगता है कि एक माँ होना बनना अपने आप में एक इतनी खूबसूरत और blessed चीज है कि I feel very honored to be a mother to my child.
What is that one thing that as a mother you would never want your mom or maybe from your mom to come to your child? That secret जो आप नहीं चाहेंगी कि उन तक आए.
Actually मैं बहुत जिद्दी हुआ करती हूँ, really obstinate, okay? और मेरा बच्चा भी बहुत obstinate है. So my mother used to always say this to me when I used to trouble her. तुम्हारे बच्चे होंगे ना फिर देखेंगे. And it's like a haunting thing. It's like कहीं तो मुझे कर्स तो नहीं कर रही हो. And really, when you become a parent and when you are facing the same thing, you're like, shit, man, ये karma hai. This is bad karma. I must have really troubled my mother, and it's come back to haunt me now.
So what was it for you when Manani that you got to know that you are pregnant and you're gonna be a mother, and then for the first time when you held your daughter in your hand, how was that feeling for you?
Firstly, I became a mother very young. So when I had my own child, honest to God, I just felt like, oh my God, what is this? It's like a little toy. It's like my baby. And it's so funny. And I used to, play with her. And I grew up with her. Honest to God, I actually grew up with her. Learned so many things from her. I mean, she calls me Monica from Friends. My daughter calls me Monica. She's like, आप Monica हो और आप Monica ही रहोगी. And उसके अलावा it was like a thing for me कि उसको नहलाना, उसको पाउडर लगाना, उसको तैयार करना. And I used to treat her like an individual, not like an extension of me, which I don't understand. Children only come through you. They don't belong to you, as Gibran says. So मेरे लिए ना, it was like, this is another person who's come out from my tummy and is my friend. So I wrote her a letter when I was pregnant saying, I can't wait for you, my dearest friend, to come because I have so much to share with you.
When your daughter actually came to you to tell you that, she had some kind of a problem in the school, or maybe if she was bullied, or maybe if she was bullying or something on those grounds, how, or maybe what was your reaction to it? How did you teach her that, what is right and what is wrong?
Okay. So for starters, yes, she was bullied. And I think having an actress mother who's a celebrity is not easy for anyone. And I always made her understand one thing. She used to come and say, Mama, मुझे नहीं पता वो मुझसे दोस्ती इसलिए करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि वो मुझसे दोस्ती करना चाहते हैं या फिर वो मुझसे इसलिए दोस्ती करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि मैं आपकी बेटी. So I always told her one thing. ऐसे देखो बेटा, जो bully करता है ना, वो अंदर से बहुत disturbed है. So don't take it personally. She was too young. I said, report to the teacher. And one day I did go to the school because somebody was pulling her hair and saying nasty things. And I'm a very fierce mother. I'm a very, if I love somebody, I protect them like a lion. I went to the school, addressed it, got the parents there. I said, the next time this happens, I will not come to the school. I will meet you outside.
So what was the first thing जिसके कारण you and your daughter would have had maybe a very small tiff or an argument, and how did you guys balance it out?
She, because she's a single child of a single parent, she was very possessive of me. So she would not like me being very affectionate to other children. So she would pinch me, and I would get very like, why are you pinching me, dude? What have I done? And she would just look at me like this, and she has beautiful eyes, and she would just look at me like, ऐसे stare करके, and I would be like, what happened? And then she gives me the silent treatment, like silent. Yeah. So that was one of the reasons. She was like, why are you so nice to everybody? Why? You're mine. Why do you have to be so good to everyone? And I was like, never thought about this one.
First time when she actually came to you and told you that, she's going out with some guy, or maybe, she started dating or something, what was your initial reaction to it?
I was like, okay, who is he? So, and she was giggling, and I was like, somebody's in love, huh? So instead of saying, "Ye kya kar rahi ho?" I got more excited. I was like, can you tell me what's he like? And what did he say to you? And she's like, mom. So I was super excited. I was like, I want to meet the boy, and I hope he treats you well, and I hope he will drop you home on time, and that he's a gentleman. So these are things that I ask.
So what is that one moment in the journey of being a mother, being a actress, being a influencer, or whatever you want to tag yourself, that you say has been one of the most difficult, but your daughter being on your side has been one of the most memorable ones?
2020, because I went through a very big personal change. One day she just walked up to me and she said, feel it to heal it, mom. Feel it completely to heal it. And she just looked at me and she said, you have no idea about how powerful a goddess you are. आप इतनी प्यारी हो, आपसे इतना प्यार करते हैं लोग, लेकिन क्या आप खुद से प्यार करती हो? And that sort of just shook me up. And she was talking to a friend of hers, and I happened to just cross, and she said, dude, my mother is my responsibility. She finished the call and I walked up to her and I said, no, I'm not. Nobody is anybody.
Are you serious?
And of course, I had a chuckle in my throat and I had a little bit of a tear. And I just looked at her, I said, I'm not your responsibility. And she's like, of course, you're my responsibility. You've never abandoned me. I will never abandon you. And that was a moment that, it was as if like so many years just flashed in front of my eyes. And she just looked at me and she said, you're way stronger than you know you are. You have no idea how strong your mom. You inspire me. The one thing that I've learned through 2019, 2020, honest to God, has been life-changing. It's the pivot. The pivot has, something's just moved. It's the tipping point for me. I believe every moment now I'm celebrating with her. It is so valuable and precious for me कि मैं अब किसी occasion का इंतजार नहीं करती.
What is that one message that you want to give as a single mother to those other mothers, be it single or maybe not single? उनको आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे that how beautiful this journey is, how beautiful this phase of being a mother is?
I would say don't get defined by what others think of you as a version. पहली बात, आप जैसी हैं, आप enough हैं, आप बहुत सही कर रही हैं. अगर दिल से आप कर रही हैं तो सही कर रही हैं. दूसरी बात, who pays my bills? I'm not answerable to anyone. Who's paying my bills? Nobody. If I'm paying my bills, I'm only answerable to myself and to my family. First and foremost, single or not, do your best and leave the rest.
Thank you for joining with us. It was a pleasure having you.
Wonderful time. Thank you. Thank you so
Same
much.
here,
God
same
bless.
as always.
And stay safe, and happy Mother's Day to your mama. Okay?
Thank you so much from her side. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, my love. Bye.
Well, I personally feel that you do not really need one particular day to celebrate and thank your mom for being such a great mother that she is. But in this special week of Mother's Day, I would like to thank my mom and all the moms out there for actually being the role models for all their daughters and their sons, for teaching them what they are today. Thank you so much for watching this segment. Do stay tuned to Telly Chocker for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.